At a manufacturing company in the United States, a product development engineer is facing a tough challenge. A big adhesion issue is causing major challenges on their manufacturing line in Mexico, leading to a product recall that is costing not just money, but the company's reputation and customer trust. The problem is they have no surface data. They aren't exactly sure what the cause is, and they're dealing with communication complexity between time zones and cultures. Here's where BConnect comes in. The first and only hardware and software solution for manufacturers to design, qualify, and scale surface-critical processes. It's also the fastest way to troubleshoot adhesion and cleanliness issues on the market. Unlike legacy methods, it puts the right technology and automatic analysis in the hands of those who need it. With BConnect, the subject matter expert in the United States can assign tasks, create experiments, and upload crucial photos, while the team in Mexico gets to work collaborating on the issue. Measurements are taken, data is updated in real time, and everything is seamlessly analyzed in BConnect for the user. Comprehensive information can be quickly compiled, shared, and accessed by all teams, ensuring everyone is on the same page. BConnect transforms communication, allowing real-time collaboration and data sharing no matter where you are. This is effectively building a surface intelligence network within the organization, enabling the company to create better products in a shorter time frame and with higher quality. For the subject matter expert in the United States, BConnect wasn't just a software, it was a game changer. For the technicians helping to solve the problem in Mexico, they utilized best-in-class hardware to collect critical information and had it seamlessly sent where it needed to go. For the entire company, money stopped being wasted and the company's reputation and customer trust was being restored. All because communication was streamlined, the issue was resolved faster, and productivity soared. This is the BConnect difference. BConnect, empowering surface intelligence networks globally.